Hi friends, welcome to God of Gizmos. Today I am going to tell you about 5 steps to check your system configuration. I think you should consider these 5 steps before buying a laptop or computer. I will also be sharing list of i3, i5 and i7 best laptops in the market. You can find the links in the description below. Without wasting much time, let's get started. First step is to go to your system properties. For going into your system properties, you can use the shortcut key Windows plus pause break on your keyboard. Or you can even go to your system properties by clicking on Start menu, going into your File Explorer, then finding this PC in the left side column and right clicking on it. You need to then select Properties. It will open up the same properties window which will contain the information about your laptop or computer. My laptop contains i7 processor which is 5500 CPU clocked at 2.4 GHz. 5500U CPU specifies that this is a 5th generation laptop. 6 something 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 CPU will specify that is a 6th generation laptop. 7 something 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 you will specify that is a 7th generation laptop, and so on. My laptop is clocked at 2.4 GHz. 2.4 GHz is the speed of my laptop. More the gigahertz, more will be the speed. I think you should consider these points while buying your laptop or computer. Next is RAM. RAM is the random access memory which helps you to gain more speed for your laptop. My laptop contains 8 GB of RAM. There are two types of processor. One is 64-bit, which is installed in my laptop, and one is 32-bit. I think you should consider 64-bit. Comparatively, it is more faster than 32-bit. Pen and touch is the input available for my laptop. There is no pen and touch input available for my laptop. If you are buying, you should consider these points as well. We will move on to our next step. I will just close this. Second step is to go to your system information. For going into your system information, you need to click on Start menu, type in System Information. You will get the System Information app. You need to click on it. This will open up System Information. Basically, System Information gives you more detailed view about your laptop or computer. So, this is a HP Pavilion notebook model. This also gives me the system information about my BIOS. This will also tell me about the virtualization feature is enabled or not on this laptop. This is one of the key features you should consider while buying your laptop. This will also list down the hardware resources, components, and software environment. Once we are done with system information window, we can move on to our next step, that is DirectX Diagnostic Tools. For going into DirectX Diagnostic Tools, you need to use your keyboard, that is Windows plus R key, and type DxDiag. This will take you to the DirectX Diagnostic Tools. DirectX Diagnostic Tools will cover all the things that we have covered in system information plus system properties. But it will also cover one of the key things, that is display card. We'll move on to our next step once loaded. So DirectX Diagnostic tool is loaded fully. Now we can move on to our next tab, that is Display tab. In the Display tab, you can see there's inbuilt integrated HD graphics from Intel, which is of approx 4 GB. And I also have a graphic card which is of NVIDIA GeForce 940M, which is of approx 6 GB. This together makes it 10 GB of graphics in my laptop. So you should consider this point as well while buying your laptop or computer. We'll move on to our next tab that shows sound information and the inputs which we have connected to our laptop or computer. We can also save this information in the form of text or XML. I will save it in the form of XML, and we will open this file to check what all information has come up. This is the file. I will open it with browser, Microsoft Edge. So this contains all the information that I have already shown you in the DirectX dialog box. This is just in the form of XML. Once we are done with DirectX diagnostic tools, we'll move on to our next step, that is Device Manager. As I have already told you, to go to your Device Manager, you can use Windows plus pause break key, and in the left side column you will see the Device Manager. You can click on it. You will get all the details of all the devices that are connected to your laptop. As you can see on the screen, Bluetooth, network adapters, this is for LAN, this is for Wi-Fi, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, display cards. See, as I told you, there are 2 display cards in my machine. Processors, this is a quad core, so it is showing me 4 processors, and other devices. From here, you can check all the features that are there in your laptop or computer. I would recommend you to check before buying your laptop or computer. Now we will move on to disk space. For checking disk space, you can go to your My Computer. In your My Computer, you will find drives. What we can do is, we can use Kelsey to add up the number of drive space. We have 901 GB of drive space in C drive and 27.4 GB of drive space in D drive. This totals to 928 GB, which means 928 GB equals to 1 TB of hard drive. But there can be number of drives which are hidden. Instead of using the calculator, what we can do is, we can go to Windows plus R key and type disk ngmt.msc. This will open up the disk management box. In that, you can see all the drives that are connected to your computer or laptop. Basically, we have one hard disk connected to our laptop. These are the 2 drives that were listed. I will show you by going into My Computer. See, these are the 2 drives that are listed, while other partitions are hidden. So you don't need to use Kelsey to calculate your hard drive space. That's it, friends. If you find my video useful, give a thumbs up to my video and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, you can give the comment in the comment section below. I have already shared the links of i3, i5 and i7 laptops in the description below. Don't forget to check them out. Thank you.